In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw cryptocurrency from MetaMask to Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your funds from your MetaMask wallet to your Binance account. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the wallet section, which is usually found in the top navigation bar. Click on wallet to expand the options available, and then select deposit from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to receive by clicking on its name. It is crucial to select the correct network associated with that cryptocurrency to avoid any loss of funds. After selecting the network, a deposit address will be generated. Carefully copy this deposit address as it will be needed for the next step. Next, open your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you are using the same cryptocurrency that you selected on Binance. In your MetaMask interface, find and click on the send button. This action will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into this field. It is essential to double check that the address is correct to prevent any errors. Then select the same network you use for the Binance deposit. Afterward, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Take a moment to review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. After entering the amount, confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. You may see a confirmation prompt. Once confirmed, the transaction will be submitted to the blockchain for processing. At this point, you should monitor the blockchain for confirmations. Depending on the network congestion, this may take some time. It is normal for the transaction to take a few minutes to be confirmed, so patience is advisable during this phase. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, go back to your Binance account. Check your wallet balance to see if the funds have been credited. If you do not see the funds after a reasonable amount of time, save the transaction hash from MetaMask. This hash can be used to track your transaction on the blockchain. If the funds are still not reflected in your Binance wallet, consider contacting Binance support for assistance in resolving the issue. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.